morning, HOD Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir, my seminar guide Shantila Meena sir, seminar coordinator D.P. Sharma sir, faculty members, examiners and my batchmates. I am Vivek Jangid, pursuing my BTech from University Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota, Rajasthan. Today I am pleased to be here in front of you all to deliver my presentation of my seminar topic, use of IoT in mechanical industries. Next slide. These are the overview of my presentation. This introduction. Recently, the emerging technologies like Internet of Things, wireless sensor networks, big data, cloud computing, embedded system, and mobile internet are being introduced into the manufacturing environment, which users in a fourth industrial revolution. Consequently, a strategic initiative called Industry was proposed and was adopted as part of the high-tech strategy action plan of the German government. Similar strategies were also proposed by other main industrial countries, for example, industrial internet from the USA and internet plus from China. Now, Internet of Things, that is IoT. According to the government, the integration of the Internet of Things and the Internet of Services in the manufacturing processes has initiated in the fourth industrial revolution. Applications, examples of the IoT are smart factories, smart houses, smart vehicles, and smart grids. And these are the pictures of live examples of the IoT. Okay. Now come forward. Artificial intelligence components. Artificial intelligence, as the name suggests, describes the ability of machines to work, learn, and to solve problems like human brain. However, this intelligence is not limited to machines. It is also applied to softwares. This intelligence is able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Next slide. These are the parts of artificial intelligence. Machine learning classification. Machine learning algorithms are the programs that can learn the hidden patterns from the data, predict the output, and improve the performance from experiences on their own. Different algorithms can be used in machine learning for different tasks, such as simple linear regression that can be used for prediction problems like stock market prediction and can be used for classification problems. We have three types of machine learning algorithm: supervised learning algorithm, unsupervised learning algorithm, and reinforced learning algorithm. The fourth industrial revolution, fourth IR or Industrial 4.0, conceptualize rapid change to technology, industries, and social partners and processes in the 21st century due to increasing interconnectivity and smart automation. The merits and demerits of the Industry 4.0, or we can say IoT. Okay. Now, merits we will discuss. Competitive advantages: increase in operational efficiency, better products and services, growth of market and new market, improving lives overall. Now next slide, demerits. High costs, high rate of failures, cyber security, need for highly skilled labor, industry and market disruption. Now we forward for conclusion. With the emerging information technologies such as IoT, big data and cloud computing, together with artificial intelligence technologies, we believe the smart factory of Industry 4.0 can be implemented The smart machines and products can communicate and negotiate with each other to reconfigure themselves for flexible production of multiple types of products. These are some references I have taken from many sites.